We did a whole bunch of reviews of software last year, and you recognize that we don't even have the people that can do the practice internally. Yes, we do have some software management people. We do have an ITAM program, but it's not where it needs to be to run a full-blown program. And so we started to look at what were the options for us, right? We looked at some of the larger SAM vendors, and it just still didn't make sense to spend as much as we would with them to only use a very small percentage of the software, because that's the only value that we could use. So obviously Zylo was one of the options. And it just made much more sense to start at a more constrained model of software than the hundreds and hundreds that we have that are the larger commercial SAM models. So I put a business case together and we started talking about it internally. And it's like, okay, let's finally do this. Let's do it. Let's do it at this pace. Let's do it at this size. And let's grow the practice. And then maybe at some point in the future, we'll go to a full-blown SAM, right? But the real start of it was to say, okay, we think there's waste somewhere in there. We're not identifying it because we don't even know what we have. So let's figure out the users. Let's figure out what the contracts say. Let's figure out all that stuff. But let's start here.